y'all today, and basically it's going to be on how to clean up cast iron. And guys, you can get rusted out cast iron skillets like at garage sales and flea markets, guys, and I've actually seen them marked down to like 50 cents. So guys, I'm going to actually demonstrate real quick how you can clean these up and make them pretty much basically brand new. And guys, what I did here with my fryer, my Cajun fryer here, I actually left it out for all season, and you know, I had it covered with the Camp Chef cover, but anyway, moisture is going to still get to it, guys. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to clean the thing up for y'all. All right, guys, let me get over here to my station. All right, guys, what I have here is I got my Makita, and I got a little wire brush on it, guys. And you can get these wire brushes like at AutoZone car parts or O'Reilly's auto parts. But I think I paid like $5 for that. I got that, and I got a little bit of sandpaper, and I'm gonna show you how to actually clean these things up, guys. All right, guys, just bear with me. Okay, guys, all I merely did was knock the surface rust off of it pretty good, and I took it in and washed it. And now what we're going to do is I've got my grill coming up to temp. It'll come up to a really high temp. I think I'm running around 650 right now, but it's a lot better than doing it in your oven, trust me, guys. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of this Luana peanut oil here, which has a high temperature flash point on it, and I'm just going to coat them, and we're basically going to re-season them again in the gas grill. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get my lid up into the grill. Like I said, we're running around right at 650. Okay, guys, I've been running approximately right at a little over 500 degrees here for about an hour. So let's take a peek. I want to take them over here to cool. Yeah, look at that, guys. And what I'm going to do is cool, and then I'm going to actually grease them up one more time. But you know, guys, once I clean these up, they're going to look really good. Okay guys, I've let them cool off again. I took them in and I washed them again. I scoured them real good with one of those green scour pads. And now I've applied some more peanut oil here. And I'm just going to do a light coating on it. And I'm going to get it back into the grill one more time. All right guys, one more time. Okay guys, I believe round 2's done. We've been running at 600 degrees here and just baking them off real good, y'all. So let's take a peek at them. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right guys, let's get them over here to cool. Oh yeah, just like brand new guys. Brand spanking new. I'll clean them up one more time. And I'll get right back to you. All right, guys, I think she's right as rain, guys. We refurbished her. I don't think it turned out too bad. So I guess we're ready to fry some chicken or fish here. All right, guys, that's what I'm saying. If you find something like at a yard sale or at a flea market that's got some rust on it, guys, you can clean it right up. But anyway, guys, I'll be storing this in the house from now on. I just wanted to demonstrate what it would look like and how you could actually clean it. So what I'll actually do is I'll oil it up and I'll actually put it in a plastic bag. All right, guys. Thank you so very much. Say bye, boy. Come here. Say bye.